Fantastic Tutor, and in today's tutorial we'll be the continuation of the course PED114, and we will be dissecting how mathematics can be taught or can be learned by children, both by children, adults, and the teens. So we have today we're going to be talking about mathematics as an instrument, for students with learning disabilities. We're going to be talking about how mathematics with children with learning disability can be made easy. When we say learning disability, what are we talking about? All of this we're going to be dissecting into this class. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So we have PED114. Mathematics instrument for students with learning difficulties. That's math instrument, for students with what? With learning disability. Now we have students have varieties of disabilities. Students have varieties of disabilities. Now these disabilities sometimes are most notably, some are attention deficits, or hyper disorder, which is the ADH. We call it ADHD. It's said to be attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Attention deficit hyperactive disorder. This is one of the disability. Hyperactive disorder, is being exhibited now. And speaking of this simply means, when someone is unable to focus, being overactive, not being able to control, his behavior. When we say this is when somebody is what? Overactive, not being able to focus. This is one of the disability that students suffer from. Now we also have cognitive disability. So we also have behavioral disorder. So these are some of the disabilities students suffer from. So now students with these are just few, just to mention but a few, student that suffers from these varieties of disability, what instruments can be used to help them learn mathematics, even as we have observed, or even as we might have observed that they have certain disabilities. So now let's proceed. Now meta-analysis have found what? A strong evidence of instrument approaches, that appear to help students. Meta-analysis have found strong evidence. Found strong evidence. Meta-analysis are found strong evidence of what? Instrumental approaches. Instrumental approaches. Alright? Found, alright, strong evidence of instrumental approaches that appear to be of help to with students, alright, help to students with disability to improve mathematical achievements. Alright, evidence of mental approaches, okay, to help students with, alright, mathematical or with disability, with disability to what? Improve learning mathematics. Alright, improve learning maths. Now let's take a look at these instructional approaches. Okay, let's take a look at these instructional approaches. Now let me erase this. Now we have instructional approaches. Very first, we have the systematic and explicit instruction. The systematic and explicit instruction. We have the self-instruction, we have the peer tutoring, and we have the visual representation. About 4 of them. Alright, 4 of them. 4. And we have 1, which is systematic and explicit instruction, matic, and explicit or explicit what? Instruction. All right, we have self what? Instruction. We have peer tutoring, and we have visual representation. So all of this will be dissecting right away. Now when we say explicit, from the word explicit, all right, and systematic instruction. Now explicit instructions are often called direct instructions.